Getting your shop seen in Google search results is one of the most important parts of your auto repair shop's digital marketing. Our search engine optimization, or SEO service, uses proven strategies to help you dominate local search results and drive traffic to your shop. It doesn't help a shop in Houston if its web traffic only comes from New York, so we specifically target local searches to improve your site's traffic from nearby customers. This includes optimizing your Google review responses, posting regularly to your Google business profile, and making sure your shop's name, address, and phone number are consistent across major online directories, map platforms, and even vehicle GPS systems. We also publish locally relevant blog content and page updates twice a month to keep your website fresh. By evaluating your website's performance, we can identify potential enhancements and optimize its content on a technical level. All of this helps to strengthen your presence in your local market and attract high-value customers. Our enhanced search engine optimization is also included with our advanced website service, and the two work together to keep your auto repair shop visible online. We have almost 30 years of experience in SEO for auto repair shops. We know what works, and we've made a significant investment to ensure our clients lead in the new AI search features. If you need your website seen by more customers, reach out to us. We'd love to enhance your marketing performance and boost your shop to the next level.